This is our klong that the fish are gonna allegedly escape from. And this one, as you can see, it's starting to piss down rain. We've got a storm coming in. We're just cutting the bamboo here now into these lengths. Lady working over there. Here's my weapon of choice for cutting the bamboo currently, only because my batteries were flat on my chainsaw. Spewing. Anyway, I'll show you the end result if we get there. That one's got a good split in it.
เร็วๆเปียกเวท cut up เนี่ย cut ดิ cut เนี่ย because we have to bang yes yeah
You videoing already?
yes
You start? Because you have to direct me. Okay, now you're recording. Oh my god. Hey, low tech lady. This is hard work. This is why a chainsaw will be so much easier.
โอ้ยเดี๋ยวก็เอาลงต่ำ
Can't help the batteries being flat when they've been sitting there for 3 months. Not able to. Ducks are having a nice little swim around in the dam. Righto. Whew. I'll take you down and show you what we've done. What a mission. Alright, hang on, I'll turn the camera around so you can see walking through the jungle. We are still doing a bit of pruning through here, but it is a jungle. Never mind the rubbish pit. Okay, oh, there's the boss. She's just tidying up at the end of the job. That is what we have done. We have built well, I would call it a fence. From there all the way down there, all the way down there to stop these goddamn fish climbing up there and running away, because that's what they do over here. And the fish in here also, because when this water gets up, well, it shouldn't get up that high. I'm pretty sure, oh, I don't know, who knows of rain over here. Ree reckons it floods, comes over there, comes into there, and then they all get away. So that was a mission, all built to TFS. Everything's level and plumb, as you can see. Any fencing contractors out there, you can argue the point with me if you want. The boss is just putting the finishing touches on. Look at that, wet. That's been raining. You know. This girl, she works in any weather. Doesn't matter over here, it's hot as hell anyway, so it's all good. Anyway, that's another chore done down here on the farm. Oh yeah, that's the big frog pen. So it has been raining all night and all this morning. I'm not sure what time it is at the moment. I'm just carving my way through the bamboo. Like when it rains, the bamboo just gets so heavy, it just bloody falls down. I don't know if you can see that one behind me there somewhere. And I was just walking through this area over here, and there's a bloody bat chasing me, flying around and trying to attack me. Bastard. So I've got to figure out a way to stop that happening. I need a better swatter than my pruners. Bloody hell, the wildlife here is funny. Well, as you can see from yesterday's video, just from the rain we had last night, not sure if you look back, you can see what the level of that water was and what the level of it's at now. It's virtually at the ground level. Chai. Be careful of the crazy bats.
อยู่ไหนโลกไก่เบิดเลยนะป่าอยู่ไหนนะอยู่ไหนโลกไก่เบิดซ่องบืนเอามาจากซ่าไงได้บุญน่ะไม่เหตุการณ์นะเห็น